Baka maano yung bato. Mula, ah!
Kaya si mama.
Medyo mahaba oh. Konti pa, konti pa.
Sabi niya. Sabi niya. Mama, papakainin mo muna si Tina. Papasok na yan. Ayan. Hikay talaga yan. Mabigat din. Isipin mo na lang may mas malalaking yard, no?
Oy, kaya hindi ka kumuha ng tao.
Oh yeah. Oh, kailangan may tao.
Oo.
Kailangan may mag-ano ka doon.
Ilang hektare to?
Ha?
Siguro isa, no? Ilan ba?
Alin?
Ito, ilan ba recorded to?
Ano sa papel eh? Alam mo?
Siguro mga isa kalahati. Isang mahigit.
Oo. Oh, kasi plus ito pa eh. Ay, ang properties niyan. Ito, nakita mo itong may bakod na to? Yan. Yan yung lahat sila may bakod, di ba?
Oo, gadon.
Ayan. Pantay din yan. Pag ano, dun. Na ito, ako pa rin to. Yung taniman na to. Ah, wala, sabi ko napakabait na kasawa ko, nilinis tong ano. Ito ng halaman.
Oo.
Halaman.
Oo.
Sabi ko. Mahina dito pa ano eh, $1,000 din para ito.
Oo. Mahal. Tandaan mo, Amerika, mahal ng labor.
Hindi kami nga lang doon yun eh, pero bibili nga kami ng mga gamit. Pero ganun pa rin gagastos ka pa rin. Nagalit.
$200 lang, ayaw kong magbayad.
Can you imagine, maniniwala ka $200 lang kasusin mo rito?
Hindi, malabo. Labo.
O sige,
Sabi ko.
pustahan tayo.
Sabi ko sa kanya, after na New York na, tapos magbo-birthday pa yung mga bata, manangandaan, nagalit sa akin, inaaway ako.
Pag na ulit yan, di ko nalilinis niya, bahala ka.
Nagagalit, nakaway sa akin. Kasi daw nilinis-linis, hindi ko naman sabi linisin mo eh. Sabi ko, dahan-dahan lang, isa-isa lang. Sabi ko sa kanya. Diba? Sabi ko sa kanya, isa-isa lang, dahan-dahan lang. Galit na galit sa akin, nilinis daw niya, nilinis niya.
Kasi nga baka tumubo nga ulit.
Oo.
Pag tumubo, balik sa
Oh, hindi, ganun talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya, magagawa natin yan, pero not now. Hindi, ay, sabay-sabay eh. Sabi ko, isa lang. Sabi ko, galit na galit sa akin. Kaya yun na. Siguro na panginaginipan niya, naintindihan na niya yung pinapaliwanag ko sa kanya. Kaya una, galit na galit sa akin. Ilang araw na naman ako di pinapansin sa akin. Sabi ko, teka lang.
Sakit din sa kamay? Hangin. Ganda ng hangin.
Pindot na naman.
Here you go, Mama.
Oh, this is your playground. And how about that? Who's that? Who owns that? Ah, that's your friend.
That one?
Oh, really?
Emerson's playground's full of sand, and like when we didn't live here, she had some old friends, and then they just like drop sand and throw sand around.
Okay. Do you have playmates here?
Yeah. That's Emerson's house. Ellie's house is across the street. David's house far away, but attached to our street.
Okay. Oh, what's this? What flower is this? Is this a rose?
It's a thorn bush. It's a thorn bush. You'll die.
Ooh.
I didn't know roses were thorn flowers.
They are. That's nice, huh?
Those are not roses. Oh yeah, these are pink.
They are. They are roses.
They're not. Look at them. They're pink,
Yes, they are roses.
but they're not red.
I know. There are also pink roses.
Wait, what? I didn't know that.
Yes, there are also pink roses. You don't know that?
I have pink shoes.
Oh, yes.
I like your jersey.
Mm-hmm. What's this? What's this?
I don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Ah, cover. It's just a cover.
Well, Mama, do you see the front yard?
No.
It has hair. It has.
Whose
hair-
table is that?
Oh,
Is that your neighbor?
no. That's somebody else. It's stranger.
Oh, strangers. Maybe they have a party. That's why.
No, wait. Maybe a graduation. Those are not strangers. Strangers usually don't have houses like that.
Oh.
Strangers usually have abandoned houses. No. Hi, Lillian. Some strangers do.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
papasok mo ba isa sa freezer o hindi na?
Mom.
Oh, wag na.
Mami, this is how many Pokemon. What?
What's the time now?
It's almost 7.
Oh, 7 in the evening?
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, why is still...
6:40.
Huh?
8:30 pa dito lang.
Oh, really? I thought it's only afternoon. Yes.
Celine, can you put this in the family bathroom? Under the sink, huh?
Okay.
Thank you.
Mama, come with me.
Okay. Celine, can I borrow sleeper? Mom's sleeper. You borrow me. You lend me one.
I think there's something in here.
You lend me one.
Wait, you can use
Sleeper. No, that's daddy, isn't it?
Mommy use.
That's mommy?
Gracias, obrigado, domo